Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today we're diving into a topic that sounds very sciencey but actually affects our everyday life and our food. We're talking about GMOs and synthetic biology, also known as the molecular kitchen, and the big question is, are we still taking care of nature or are we now changing it? Think about the food you ate today: rice, vegetables, milk, maybe snacks. What if I told you some of this might not 100% natural anymore? So first, what are GMOs? GMOs are plants organisms whose DNA has been changed by scientists. For example, they can make crops grow faster, resist insects, or survive harsh weather. Sounds helpful, right? Now, here's the next level: synthetic biology. This is where scientists don't just change nature, they actually create products in laboratories, like milking milk without cows or vanilla flavors without growing vanilla plants. Parang cooking. But instead of ingredients, DNA ang ginagamit. That's why they call it molecular kitchen. But here's where things get complicated. We are moving from being caretakers of nature to becoming its architects. And honestly, we don't fully understand all the consequences yet. This is what we call the black box. We use the technology, but we don't see everything that could happen in the future. And what if this changes affect biodiversity? What if modified crops spread uncontrollably? What if ecosystems get disrupted? Now let's talk about farmers, because this is where the real impact shows. Many GMO seeds today are patented, means farmers can use them. Every planting season they need to buy new seeds again. And it doesn't stop there. These crops are often require specific fertilizers, chemicals, what some call chemical cocktails. So what happens? Farmers spend more money, then they need higher yields to survive. And they need more on these products. This cycle, called the technological treadmill, parang pumatakbo ka pero hindi ka musad. And if something goes wrong, like a bad harvest, they call it a death. Now imagine if laboratories can produce milk, vanilla, or products. What happens to farmers who rely on this for income? Will they lose jobs? Will traditional farming slowly disappear? Or technology may be efficient, but is it fair? For me, science is not the enemy. It helps us solve problems like hunger and climate change. But we also need to be careful, because just because we can change nature doesn't always mean we should. We need balance between innovation and responsibility. So again, the question is, are we still protecting nature or are we slowly rewriting it? That's it for today's vlog. What do you think about GMOs and synthetic biology? Helpful ba or risky? And I am Cadet Marvin Stephen M. Barcelo, and this is my vlog in STS. Thank you.